Hello children, welcome back to your 7th standard mathematics class. We are doing lesson number 8, algebraic expressions and operations on them. Today let us see the subtraction of algebraic expressions. But before doing that, let us revise the subtraction of integers. Subtraction of integers. To subtract a number from another number is to add its opposite number to the other number. That means when you want to subtract a number from another number, we have to add its opposite number. So the rules for subtraction are: keep the sign of the first number as it is, change the subtraction sign to addition, then change the sign of the second number and follow the rules for addition. So keeping this in mind, let us solve some algebraic expressions.
The subtraction of algebraic expressions. First, let us see the subtraction of monomials. Let's take an example. Subtract 7x from 12x. So, we have 12x minus 7x. So, when you subtract, all you have to do is subtract the coefficients and write the variable as it is. So, you'll get 12 minus 7 multiplied by x. 12 minus 7 is 5 and multiplied by x you get 5x. So 5x is your answer. Let's see another example. Question is subtract minus 5y from 9y. So you have 9y minus 5y. So we know that when you subtract an integer from another integer, it means to add its opposite integer to the other one. So this will change as 9y plus the opposite of minus 5y. The opposite of minus 5y is plus 5y. Add the two, 9 plus 5 multiplied by y. So you'll get 14y. Subtraction means addition of the opposite of the second expression. Now let us see the subtraction of binomials. Let's take an example. 15p minus 7q minus 10p minus 8q. First we will solve it by the horizontal arrangement and then try the vertical arrangement. The first expression remains unchanged. So you have 15p minus 7q. And in the second expression, the sign of each term will change. So 10p, which is positive, will become minus 10p. And this is minus 8q, so it will become plus 8q. Now gather the like terms and solve the sum. So you have 15p minus 10p minus 7q plus 8q. 15 minus 10 is 5p. Here one number is negative and the other number is positive. So you have to find the difference and put the sign of the bigger number. The bigger number is 8 and it is positive. So here you will have a plus sign. 8 minus 7 is 1. So you have 1q. So you can write it as 1q or simply q. Okay, so the answer is 5p plus q. Now let's try the vertical arrangement. Write both the expressions with the like terms one below the other. We have to subtract. Now change the sign of every term in the expression to be subtracted and add the two expressions. So 10p will become minus 10p. So the change of sign we will write below. Minus 8q will become plus 8q. Now you will not consider this sign. The sign written below will be considered. So this becomes 15p minus 10p. So you will get 5p. Here bigger number is positive, so the sign will be plus. 8q minus 7q will be 1q or simply q. So if you see, you have got the same answer. Now let's see practice at 34. The question is subtract the second expression from the first one. The first question, the first expression is 4x minus 9z and the second expression 3xy minus 16z. So this is your question. So when you subtract the first expression remains unchanged and the sign of every term in the second expression changes. So we have 4xy minus 9z. This is plus 3xy, so it becomes minus 3xy, minus 16z, so it becomes plus 16z. Now gather the like terms and solve. We have 4xy minus 3xy, that is 1xy, or simply xy, minus 9z plus 16z. Both are having different signs, so the difference is 7 and the sign of the bigger number is positive. So you have plus 7z. So this will be your answer. Now let's take the second question. The question is 5x plus 4y plus 7z. That is the first expression. And the second expression is x plus 2y plus 3z. First let us do by the horizontal arrangement. So it is 5x plus 4y plus 7z minus x plus 2y plus 3z. We have to change the sign of every term in the second expression which is to be subtracted. And then we have to add the two expressions. The first expression remains as it is. Here x becomes minus x plus 2y becomes minus 2y plus 3z becomes minus 3z. Now we have to gather the like terms. So you have 5x minus x, the two like terms, then 4y minus 2y and 7z minus 3z. 5x minus x gives you 4x, 4y minus 2y will give you plus 2y, 7z minus 3z will give you plus 4z. So your answer will be 4x plus 2y plus 4z. Now let's do the vertical arrangement. Arrange the expressions according to the like terms, one below the other. And then we have to change the sign of every term in the second expression. So this will become minus, plus 2y will become minus 2y and plus 3z will become minus 3z. Now we have to add the two. So 5x minus x will give you 4x, 4y minus 2y will give you plus 2y, 7z minus 3z will give you plus 4z. So you can write the answer 4x plus 2y plus 4z. The third question, 14x square plus 8xy plus 3y square and 26x square minus 8xy minus 17y square. So 14x square plus 8xy plus 3y square minus 26x square minus 8xy minus 17y square. So what we have to do, we have to keep the first expression as it is and change the sign of every term in the second expression. The first expression remains as it is. Plus 26x square becomes minus 26x square. This is minus, so it will become plus 8xy. This will become plus 17y square. Now we have to gather the like terms and then add. So we have gathered the like terms together. Now 14x square minus 26x square. One is positive, the other one is negative. And the bigger number is negative, so the answer is going to be minus 12x square. 26 minus 14 is 12. Plus 8 plus 8 is 16xy. Plus 17 plus 3 is 20y square. So this is your answer. Minus 12x square plus 16xy plus 20y square. Please solve the same sum using the vertical arrangement. The fourth question, 6x square plus 7xy plus 16x square and 16x square minus 17xy. This we'll solve by the vertical arrangement. Horizontal arrangement you can try it on your own. Write the first expression. Arrange the second expression as per like terms below the first expression. So 16x square minus 17xy plus, there is no y square term, so you can put 0 here. So the sign will change. Plus 16 will become minus 16x square. Minus 17xy will become plus 17xy. And here also it will change to minus. So here the bigger number is negative, so your answer is going to be negative. The difference between 16 and 6 is 10. So you have minus 10x square. Here both are positive. So plus 17 plus 7 is 24xy. And the last term plus 16y square. The answer is minus 10x square plus 24xy plus 16y square. Please solve the same sum using the horizontal arrangement. The fifth question, 4x plus 16z and 19y minus 14z plus 16x. The first expression remains unchanged. The sign of every term in the second expression is changed. So you have minus 19y plus 14z minus 16x. Now what do we do? Gather the like terms. So you have 4x minus 16x, 16z plus 14z and minus 19y. So 4x minus 16x will give you minus 12x because the bigger number is negative. Plus 16 plus 14 will give you 30z minus 19y. So your answer is minus 12x plus 30z minus 19y. Solve the same sum using the vertical arrangement. This completes practice set 34. Please solve all the sums using both the arrangements once again.
Thank you and have a nice day.